What's up guys, this is Dave Pereira bringing you our new project. Guess what we got? Well, you don't know, right? It's gonna be a 2017 Jeep Compass 4x4 red maroon color. If you guys look into my past videos, I already have done exact same thing, but this one is newer, has leather, fully kind of loaded. I can't say fully loaded because it doesn't have backup camera or anything, but except for that, it has every damn single thing you want. Well, I'm in my car. Let's go check that car out. Come with me. Let's go. Our baby boy is that red one. And this one. So guys, let's go check it out. Alright guys, let me show you around this Jeep Compass. All around it. Ooh, guess what? We missing a reflector. Well, nothing to worry. Just 15 bucks. We'll take care of it. So let me go around it and see show you guys the damage. Seems pretty simple, right? Look at this. If you look at it closely, it looks like the frame got damaged, but actually there's the remaining parts from the rebar. It looks frame, but it's not. And even this part, look at it. That's the part of the rebar, not the frame. It just ripped the frame mounting off. Only thing we have to need is to get that cap and weld it, and we're good to go. I measured my body shop person. He measured the frame width. It was just fine. And guess what? We just need the whole cooling assembly, the AC assembly. That's about it. Nothing major. But it looks bad, but don't worry, you shouldn't have. I mean, we're gonna need the radiator support is fine, radiator cover is damaged. We need the whole cooling assembly, fan, AC, radiator. And let's check the inside out. Well, look how beautiful it is. All leather, everything is pretty clean. It's a little bit dirty, but we'll make it beautiful. But nothing, no rips or anything. It's pretty brand new, like 32,000 miles. I need to check it out. Look at the back seat. So overall, the Jeep is in great condition. What we obviously need a hood. The passenger side fender is good. The front bumper, lower bumper, grill, the grill insert, and both headlights. And one more thing, the driver fender is damaged as well. We will gonna replace that. So other than that, it's a great Jeep. Well guys, if you guys like to see the full completion of this build, hit the subscribe button and hit that bell. We're going to get some parts from the LKQ, and most of the body parts going to be I'll be buying aftermarket. I mean, aftermarket means OEM aftermarket parts, the front bumper, hood and body parts. But all the internal parts, I found some parts at the LKQ salvage yard, and I'll be buying them, all those parts from them. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this series of our new build, the 2017 Jeep Compass. This is Dave Pereira. I'll see you guys on the part 2 of this build. See you later. Thank you.